Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Air di mesin cuci di rumah saya keluarnya sangat kecil. Begini cara saya mengatasi air yang keluarnya kecil. Saya memodifikasi pipa paralon yang masuk ke dalam.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Matikan, jadi airnya tidak akan luber. Ini keran yang tadi. Jadi prinsip kerjanya, kalau otomatis dari mesin cuci mati, dia tidak akan masuk air ke dalam mesin cuci. Jadi ketika otomatisnya berfungsi, si air akan masuk ke dalam toren. Dia akan naik ke atas, masuk ke dalam toren. Intinya otomatis berfungsi, si air tetap jalan, cuman airnya masuk ke dalam toren. Jadi di rumah kalau lagi mencuci, keadaannya itu toren dalam keadaan kosong. Jadi air yang nanti masuk ke mesin cuci berhenti, dia akan sendirinya masuk ke dalam toren. Demikian video dari saya. Jika video ini bermanfaat, silahkan di share dan jangan lupa di subscribe. Jika ada pertanyaan silahkan ditanyakan, nanti saya jawab. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi